put on our lavender sauce. It still has a bag. And also it's free size. And we have been trying to, announce that we are with extra fat.
We all love the extra fat, right?
So we roll around kasi nga, nahihirapan kami. It's hard to spell. Charcuterie. Okay. Pwede rin ang grazing. But sige, gawin na natin. Let's make a Pinoy Noche Buena fast break board.
There you go. Pinoy Noche Buena fast break board. That is what we're gonna make today.
Normally you have a board, diba, na good wood. But if you're on a budget, you go to the pita, you have this
Splatter.
Splatter.
Wooden platter.
So, we went around, so we have some hams. We have the fiesta here. We have, this is, I think, a pear-shaped ham and hamon de bola.
Sir Nick, Sir Alvin, I will leave you to it because this is a fast break moment. Parang kayo lang dapat yan. Alright.
One ham. Then instead of the usual melba and we opted to have toast, the bizcocho. We still have the nuts and some popular fruits available in Robinsons actually. Multicolored grapes. We also have the strawberries, the oranges. Of course, best paired with the creamy, salty magnolia queso de bola. So queso de bola here.
Very popular din yan.
Yes, the number one queso de bola in the Philippines. To mellow the flavor, we also have here some butter cookies and the typical crackers. Then we'll be using Milky White, Magnolia Milky White to mellow down all the flavors, okay? So that's the three combination. We had our party yesterday in San Miguel, around 8,000 individuals, and we made a baked bread. We added, it's filled with fiesta ham and queso de bola, and then it's mellowed down by Milky White. It's a fabulous discovery by our culinary center. So, sikap, since it's lagi na sa hardcore, so fast break na lang tayo dito. Maglalagay na tayo ng ating gloves. So, kasi number one ham is fully cooked naman, yung mga hams natin. All hams are fully cooked actually. Then what we do is, pili tayo ng ham. This is kind of cool. Ours is pre-sliced. With Irwin's best ham is pre-sliced. It's meaty now, it's with added fat, okay? Due to public clamor, it has fat, so pwede natin i-copy ng mga alam. Fast break na tayo. Pwede mo ilatang na lang dito. Pwede nakatupi ng konti. Yan, then fat on top. Okay, so what we're doing now is a notebook, easy to prepare charcuterie. Sige, copy mo naman kagad dyan. Then we'll have some ham from our second best-selling ham. Si Cap kasi medyo mahilig siyang kumain rather than magluto. So on the other side, ilagay lang natin yung mga hams ng second best-selling. The smoky, sweet flavor meat, very meaty, made from premium meat na Pure Foods, hamon de bola.
Cozy ako.
Eh, wala ka. Wala lang ka. Kunyari, nagdatingan yung mga members ng team mo, yung Magnolia shots na nalo. Gusto nila yan. Ayan. Gusto natin ng konti. Ayan. Wala namang rules sa paggawa ng mga board. So, for added na you put in the meat. So, this is the spice na pear-shaped ham. Not spicy, but spice. Lagay lang natin dyan. Then,
This one, fiesta ham.
yeah, yung hamon de bola. Okay.
This one,
Yung ating pear-shaped ham, one of our traditional hams. Then, we put on some of our breads. Yung ating toast. Instead of Melba toast, what we'll be using is bizcocho. Para may iba, diba? Then, to make it more Filipino, we will use yung butter cookie, cocoa butter, yung mga ano natin, coconut butter cookie. Lagay na lang lagay, kaya nakagandaan sa mga grazing natin. Wala naman siyang rules. Basta meron lang siyang something crunchy, something sweet, something salty, yan yun. Yan, dito natin lagay. Yung nuts can be interspersed. Yan. So we also use yung ating cheese component, which is yung ating Magnolia Cheesy. Sulit sarap, sulit sustansya na cheese. Kagabi na si Miss Marian, actually, during our Christmas party. Hindi natin ma-reveal ng brand. So we'll be adding some cheese. Super quick. Dito lang natin lagay yan.
Magnolia cheese.
Magnolia Cheesy. Okay. Ayan. Tumpok lang, ika nga. As they say doon sa kanta nga, may candy, tsokolate. Pagsamahin natin, lagyan natin ng konting pretzels dito para may extra crunch din. Para may chocolate component. Ayan, masama yan. Sumama po. Okay. Pero sumiham ha. Then, we'll add a queso de bola. Wedges na rin ang gawin natin para wala kahirap-hirap. Maglagay ka na isa dyan. Then, the wedge. Pag ito, hindi ko pa nagustuhan ng mga players natin. Ayan ko na lang. And to mellow down all the flavors, we'll be using Milky White. Yung ating Milky White. Keep it at room temperature, easy open. Lock in lang ito. Then, squeeze mo lang dito. Okay. Then, garnish natin with the fruits. So ito, ang dami ngayon ito. Sa Robinson, may nakita rin ako nagbibenta kayo dyan ng grapes. So for added color lang. Pwede dito na yan. Okay. Bahala ka na kung saan gusto ilagay yan. Some oranges actually. Sa stomach mamaya. Ito yung fast break lang tayo. Biglang tipong meron na silang biglaang sama-sama dahil nanalo sa isang game. Pag nanalo yung UP, malamang magagawa na ganito rin. Biglaan si Mang Rubina. Ano miss natin today? Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. Added color. Lagay lang natin dito. Some grapes.
Picture tayo. Paano nga?
Paglaro. Paglaro kita. Kahit saan. And finishing touch para ma-serve na niya to. Ay, lagyan natin ng toothpick. Ito toothpick. Yeah.
Perfect.
Fast and easy. Pure Foods and Magnolia. Fast break platter. Made by the captain himself. Sir Arvin Patrimonio. Made with products of Magnolia and Pure Foods. Pure Foods best to have the #1 Christmas ham made from pure premium meat. Slow cook. Aged to perfection. Now with added fat. Magnolia Queso de Bola Hoops, okay? That's your Pinoy charcuterie para sa barkada in less than 10 minutes.
Ngayon ba yan?
That's it.
Yes, ang
Thank you.
Wow! Another round of applause for Sir Nick and Sir Alvin po. In fairness. That was very quick, ha?
And if, so did you know the prices is around 1,000, 1,500? That's it.
Yeah.
Excess pa tayo na, so you can have a refill pa.
Oh my gosh!
So we would like to thank our Culinary Center for guiding us by a video for this. And we'd also like to take this opportunity to say thank you very much to